prepared so much time and effort for this because we want the best for our families and clients. So it gives us joy whenever we do photo session setups.
Mahirap na masaya. And nakaka-challenge din kasi gusto namin mag-innovate. Gusto namin mas mapaganda every year yung mabibigay namin for the clients. Half of the year, nagpa-plan na kami from branding to social media posting, mas makapagbigay ng magandang experience for every family na nami-meet namin every bare months.
It is difficult, same as last year, because we want to innovate and we want to level up our Christmas photo sessions every year. And we want our clients to exceed their expectations to us.
Happy rin dahil nakakapag-collaborate kami with our kiddie party suppliers sa Party Project Manila, Ants Packet, Abstract Cafe, and Sugar Plum Pastries.
We picked yung best-selling namin since the years before. And that's the DIY cookie kits. And ayun, extra special talaga siya, tsaka mas exciting kasi nga mas nag-gather na yung lahat ng families ngayon, and we want to make it extra sweeter, extra sincere, intimate, where all the families would gather together, and yun, yung may little enjoy moments na nag-create sila ng something na all ages will enjoy.
Nag-start ako ng Ants Packet because of the love for my kids. Kasi gusto ko ako yung gagawa ng mga toys para sa kanila. And then later on, dumami yung ginawa ko mga educational stuff. And then there's one friend na dumalaw sa house. Nakita niya yung items na mga ginawa ko for my kids. And then after that, sabi niya, "Uy, ba't hindi mo dalhin to sa bazaar?" The story goes on na. So nakilala ni Ants Packet sa paggagawa ng mga educational stuff, and then napunta sa souvenir.
So just like the previous years, we wanted to be different. We always want to have a unique, we don't follow the traditional color palette because we always want to give every family a unique experience and charisma.
A certified coffee lover and one of the owner of Abstract Cafe, along with Diane, Maxter, Joanne, and Joanne Wong. It's heartwarming to know that our coffee gives joy to our clients and make more special moments.
Napakarami naming struggle. Pinakaunang shoot namin, 2 booking lang yung nakuha namin. Tapos, hindi namin alam yung gagawin. Actually, naiyak ako nun eh. Ang laking lugi. Siguro hindi namin alam pa paano yung flow. So, over the years, hanggang ngayong year na to, hindi ko masasabing na perfect na namin siya. Pero every year, natututo kami na parang dapat pala, ay, ganito yung flow, ganito pala dapat pagpasok ng client. Ganito natin kabilis i-shoot. Kailangan may angulo tayo naka-ready. Kailangan yung scheduling maayos, kailangan sabihin agad na dapat ganito lang time, ganitong outfit lang yung kayang i-change. Pati yung mga goodies namin dapat naka-ready na palagi. And nasanay na rin yung team every year kung gaano kapagod every day yung sessions. Actually, mukha siya madali pag titingnan mo social media, pero sobrang nakakapagod talaga siya. So, every year, napag-aralan na namin siya na dapat pala yung break natin, 5 minutes lang tayo kakain, ganun, para ma-accommodate natin lahat. Kailangan yung photos, i-dump natin agad para makapag-shoot tayo agad ng next client. Medyo mahirap din yung after namin ng shoot, kailangan naming kumausap ulit ng another client. I mean, hindi siya in negative way. Ang hirap ng energy namin na nauubos everyday. Pero at the same time, happy kami. Actually, nasa Pax kami after matapos ng Christmas photo sessions every year kasi ang sarap makipag-usap sa clients. And nararamdaman namin na happy sila every session kasi naka-experience sila ng ganon once a year.
Very heartwarming, lalo na when we receive feedbacks and not just them tagging us, mentioning to us directly, even sharing to their friends, their families, their social medias, yes, bonus na lang yun. Pero when they really come to us and tell the stories na yung experience nila, sobrang fun, tsaka yun nga, medyo medyo out of the usual na giving of gifts kasi it's also creating something and eating them too. It's very heartwarming.
Diba kasi pag when you say bag, you can put anything. Anything na po pwede mong ilagay sa bag. Like yung buong buhay mo, pwede mo rin ilagay sa bag mo. So kumbaga yung mga memories, yung mga importanteng bagay, pwede mo ilagay dun sa bag mo, which is yun yung magiging parte ng buhay mo. So yun yung naisip ko for this, kasi gusto ko i-keep yung memories ng kung ano yung mabibuild natin dito sa photo sessions natin ito. Pwede nating i-keep for sake dun sa bag na yun.
We've made a different take on pastels this year, so we've decided to have 2 themes with our new studio.
I think successful every year yung Christmas photo sessions namin dahil nasa iisang page kami ng buong team. Nagka-collaborate kami ng maayos, nagka-communicate kami. Parang we know everything from bibilhin ng isang bagay. Ipapacheck muna sa isa o para lang mas mapaganda yung ilalabas namin every year. Tingin ko isang factor din na successful every year yung Christmas photo sessions dahil rin sa clients. Hindi lang dahil sa team namin, hindi lang dahil sa photographers, sa stylists, hindi lang dahil sa suppliers na kasama namin, but because of the effort na binibigay ng clients.
Kasi the moment na they enter here on our set, we entertain them agad para maging friends kami sa isa't isa. We make them feel comfortable to us and sa loob kasi ng 30 minutes para walang ilangan. At yun ang susi para mapaganda yung photos nila.
Pagpunta pa lang nila dito, effort na. And yung pagsunod nila sa directions namin, yung hindi nila pagre-reklamo sa mga poses namin, hindi sila napapagod. And nagiging happy ako dahil nagiging part yung team namin na magkaroon sila ng memory to keep for a lifetime hanggang sa maging tradition na siya.
Christmas Photo Session Year 7!
7!